Hi friends, in this video we will see how to insert a node at the end of the linked list for the second case, that is when the linked list is non-empty. Let us revise what we discussed so far. So this is the code that is used to create a template for the node, and you know that first and last are the two pointer variables that points to first node of the linked list, and last points to the last node in the linked list. And next we define a function whose name is insert at the end. So this code basically inserts a node at the end of the linked list, and it expects one argument. Is of integer type, that is data, and this value has to be stored as part of the value for the node. So the first we try to create an empty node, and this is the code we discussed in detail about that. So a new node is created, and its address is stored in a pointer variable called new node. Next we store data into the value field of the new node. Similarly, the next code we store next field of the new node to null. So the linked list. Now when we try to add this newly created node to the linked list, there might be two cases. One case is that linked list might be empty. So in that case, we discussed that we should store the address of the newly created node into two pointer variables, that is first and last. So this is the code that stores the address of new node into first and last, and this is the pictorial representation. In the another case, the linked list might be non-empty. So in that case, let's assume there is a linked list with two nodes, and the pointer variable first is pointing to the first node, and last is pointing to the last node, and the address field of the last node is null. So in that case, the new node should be inserted at the end of the linked list, and this null has to be replaced by address of the new node, and similarly now the last should point to the new node. These are the two changes that we should make here, and the code for doing this can be seen here.